In today's competitive travel marketplace, your revenue success depends on making the right decisions at the right time based on current data. But finding and analyzing that data can be time-consuming and sometimes overwhelming. To help you understand your property's performance and grow your business, we've created a blueprint. You can gain a competitive edge with tools in Partner Central that leverage data to identify insights about your property's revenue performance, guest behavior, and market outlook. So you can better understand your performance in the Expedia Group marketplace. Our property analytics tool analyzes your visibility, conversion, and guest value. And to help you take the guesswork out of planning your marketing and revenue strategy, we provide customized recommendations each step of the way. Of course, insights are only as good as the data they're based on. That's why you can customize your competitive set with the most comparable properties in your area, making the insights we provide even more relevant. Guest Insights help you develop a holistic understanding of guests' travel motivations and their booking behavior, so you can identify opportunities to target specific guest profiles with tailored strategies. With 1 out of 3 Expedia Group lodging partners looking at analytics on a daily basis, what are you waiting for? Take the next step in growing your business with Expedia Group. Sign in to Partner Central to start leveraging your data today.